Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, Brenner and I are getting ready to install a set of TMR custom inserts into the door hinges of her 2008 Wrangler JK. These doors have been an absolute bear to get off and on, and we've tried everything. We've tried, the anti-seize and stuff like that. It wears out. So we're gonna fix the problem the right way, right, Bren?
Yep.
So Brenna, when you first got your Jeep, how hard was it to take the doors off?
Way too hard.
Could you do it by yourself?
No.
They're pretty heavy anyway. The doors on yours are a lot heavier than mine. So it takes a little bit of grunt regardless, but we get these installed and they'll slide in and out of the hinges like butter for you. We even tried, remember we tried the anti-seize on them?
Yeah.
And it worked a little bit, but it wears out.
Not, yeah.
Yeah, it wears out. So these plastic inserts will last a long time, make your life a lot easier. I'll show you how to take the jaws off of your JK Jeep. Here's the wiring harness for your door. This red tab should be in the closed position that locks the harness in. Slide it over, then push down this with your thumb and kind of peel it apart. There's a door catch right here. Don't take this door catch off before you undo this, because your door is going to swing and it's going to dent your cowl. So now, to get the door catch strap off, bring the door towards you, kind of lift up and over off the little metal catch right here. So here with the door hinge liners, look like from TMR Customs, they give you a tool in here to bang out the old liner, and I have a 2-door, so it's going to come out. It's going to come with 4 liners for the hinges. So you need to bang the old sleeve out. So you're going to come around the top like this, and then switch the paint. Tap it. And then you're going to put some penetrating oil on it like this. Then they give you a sleeve removal tool. So you're going to put this on the bottom like that and then tap it up with the hammer. You can see it coming up. Kind of twang. There's one. Now, if this gets stuck in there, you can take your hand, your little pick or your flathead screwdriver, tap the flathead screwdriver down, and this will come fall right out. Same with the bottom one. So you're gonna take that little ridge, it kind of just work yourself around. Get penetrating oil, spray it, let it sit for a minute, let it seep down in there. So this one was being a little stubborn, going from the top up, so you can go from the top down if it's a little easier. So you're going to take your new plastic sleeve, and you're not going to tap it with a hammer, you should just be able to push it down and right in. Alright, there's one. Take the other one. Push it right into place. Okay, there's the other one. Alright, so we're going to reinstall the door. Alright, that's slid in nice and easy. Door shut's good. Let's try to remove it. Oh my
Way
God.
easier.
Oh my God, that's like a Christmas miracle. You're kidding me, that is totally freaking insane. That's awesome. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked it. If you have a question, leave a comment. We'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.